Alright, so today we're going to get rid of the annoying message that pops up on Windows Boot Manager. Okay, so this delays your Windows startup time and delays your Windows boot up speed. Okay, right, so stick to the end. At the end of this video, you should be able to increase your Windows boot up speed and boot straight into your Windows in seconds. Okay, right, let's get started. Alright, so there are two ways of doing it. Okay, right, so let's begin with the first one. Just press your Windows plus R and then you type msconfig. Okay, hit enter on your keyboard. Right, so once this window pops up, just click on boot here. Right, so basically this is the boot manager. Okay, right, so the first one is my default operating system. Okay, and the second one is the erroneous one. Okay, right, so in your case, if you have so many of them, just select the erroneous ones and get rid of them by deleting them. Okay, right, so I'll go to the second one, which is the irrelevant one. I'll just click on delete. Okay, right. Right, so another way of doing it, if you don't want to delete the erroneous one, okay, just select your default operating system. Okay, so come down here to the delay time. Right, so in my case, I'll just put 3 seconds. So what it means is that boot manager will have to wait 3 seconds before booting into Windows. Okay, right, so but the erroneous one is irrelevant in my case here. Okay, so I'll just select it and I'll delete it. Okay, right, so in this case, it is left with my default operating system. Okay, right, so just click on apply and then click on OK. Alright, so this mini window will pop up. Okay, so if you want to restart now to apply the settings, or you want to apply the settings later on, okay, right, so we want to do that later. Alright, so that is the first way of doing it. So the second way of doing it is you can come out to the start menu. Okay, right, so click on settings. Right, so once you're on settings, click on system. Right, so once you're here, just scroll down to about. Okay, right, so once you're on about, just come down here to advanced system settings. Okay, right, and click on it. Okay, right. Alright, so another way of getting the advanced system settings, if you don't want to go through this long process, okay, just go to your Windows search and search for system settings. Okay, and you should see the suggestion here. Just select it. Okay, and it will send you to advanced system settings. Okay, right, but we've already opened that. Okay, right, so this is the advanced system settings. Okay, right, so once you're here, just come down to the last one where you have the startup and recovery. Okay, right, so just click on settings. So once you're on settings, here you select the default operating system. Now I have only one because I deleted the erroneous one earlier in the first method, so it will not show up here. Okay, here if you still have them many and you click on this one, you should get the right one to select as your default operating system. Okay, alright, so once you have that selected as your default operating system, right, so just come down here to the delay time and then you can decrease it. Okay, right, so I'll just put only 3 seconds. Alright, so that means that the boot manager will delay 3 seconds before booting into your Windows. Okay, alright, so if you don't just want to delay any seconds at all, but you just want to boot straight into your Windows, okay, right, so just come here and uncheck this box. Okay, alright, so in this case, boot up manager boots straight into Windows without delay. That is the second way of doing it. Okay, right, so once you're done with that, just come here and click on OK. Right, click on OK again and you're done with it. Okay, alright, so that is it. But remember, you have to restart your device to apply the settings. Okay, right, so just click on start menu. I click on the power here and then you click on restart. Okay, and so once you've done that, the next time you're booting in, your boot manager boots straight into Windows without delay. Okay, alright, so that's the two ways of dealing with this annoying pop-up message, okay, on your Windows boot manager. Okay, right, so thanks so much for sticking out with me today. Alright, so stay tuned and take good care of yourself. But before you go, remember to subscribe and like. Okay, right, so until we meet again, goodbye.